Hey everyone, welcome to another delicious recipe video. Today I'll show you how to make spicy shrimp lettuce wraps. They are flavor packed and perfect for any party. Try this quick and easy shrimp appetizer and I'm sure you'll definitely like it. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make shrimp lettuce wraps. This is half a kilo prawns, deveined and washed. To this I am adding 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Combine everything well, let it sit for a while till we make our sauce. Into a bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sweet chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Give it a good mix and set aside. Into another bowl, add half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Add shrimps to the flour and toss until well coated. I'll finish with the rest of the shrimps and I'll show you. Shrimps are coated well and are ready to be fried. Into a pan, add enough oil for frying. Once the oil is hot, bring back the flame to medium. Then fry them in 2 batches for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the bubbles are reduced, that's the sign the shrimps are done. Now transfer it to a paper towel. Now let's fry the rest of the shrimps. Add fried shrimps to a bowl, add sauce on top, give a nice toss until everything coats well. You can serve this appetizer straight away or you can wrap this in a lettuce leaves. On a lettuce leaves, add some cooked rice, some fried shrimp and some sauce. Wrap and enjoy. This is amazing. You must try it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.